Making artificial intelligence is easy and fun. You can do it at home. Let's get started. This is a neural network. We don't need this math. We just need input, output, and the neural network will learn what to do by itself by looking at examples. Thousands of them, millions of them, billions of them, trillions of them. Example time. Ads. The input is just everything about you and everything you've ever said or done. The output, ads, and the chance. Go click on them. Another example. The input is random numbers and the output is human faces. The result, this person does not exist.com. So how does it actually work? Nobody knows. AI is alchemy. You know, magic, potion making and stuff with some ingredients, potions, and tools. And alchemists just try stuff. Okay, let's put it in action. If you take a class in AI, they'll probably use this example, MNIST, where the input is pictures of numbers and the output is the actual number. But wait, neural networks have stuff in the middle. These are called layers. They're like alchemy steps. You know, grind up the leeches, bake at 450. The most basic layer is called linear. It's like smashing your face on the ingredients. It works, just not very well. So the teacher says, introducing convolutional neural networks. It's like saying, stop smashing your face on the ingredients. Use a mortar and pestle. It works better. They'll also say, look at this math. You should understand this. You don't. That's not important. So pick up a mortar and pestle, grind up some leeches, build your own AI. Think of some numbers you want to turn into other numbers. Acquire billions of examples. That's kind of hard actually. And try different potion making steps. Now you're an AI expert.